Yo, Fortnite fans! Epic Games just unleashed Chapter 6 Season 3, Super, and it's a superhero smash. Superman, Robin, and a brand new academy are here to shake up the Battle Royale. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for epic gaming news. Let's dive into the action. On June 7, 2025, Epic Games dropped Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 3, and it's all about superheroes. Think DC comic legends, new skins, and a superhero academy packed with powers. This is Fortnite's biggest superhero season since Chapter 2. And yes, Superman is back, ready to suit up. Keep watching. The Chapter 6 Season 3 Battle Pass is a superhero extravaganza. You'll instantly unlock a slick Robin skin when you buy it, and mid-season you can grab the Superman skin, styled after David Corenswet's new Superman. Want Superman early? Snag the Battle Bundle for 1,800 V-Bucks to get him, plus 25 Battle Pass levels. The pass also includes 6 original Fortnite skins: Haley Sky, Ziggy, Synthwave, Killswitch, Light Rider, and Morgan Mist, all rocking that superhero vibe. This season's map is getting a heroic upgrade with the Supernova Academy, a new hotspot loaded with hero items. If you've got the right hero rank, you can grab these powers for free or buy them with gold bars if you're in a rush. New locations, smoother gameplay, and superhero-themed action to make the season a blast. What's your go-to spot gonna be? Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 3 Super runs for about 2 months, wrapping up on August 8, 2025. And that gives you plenty of time to grind those battles past tiers and unlock all the goodies. With DC Comics back in the mix for the first time since Chapter 2, this season's bringing nostalgia and fresh vibes. Are you ready to dominate as Superman or Robin? This season's a big win for Fortnite fans. The superhero theme, iconic DC skins, and new academy make every match feel like a blockbuster. Whether you're a casual player or a Battle Pass grinder, there's something for everyone. What's got you most hyped? New skins or the Supernova Academy? Let's hear it. That's the rundown on Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 3 Super. Are you grabbing that Superman skin early, or is Robin your vibe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you're pumped for this season, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming news.